Running a field service business means juggling a lot of moving parts: schedules, techs, customer info, invoices, and usually those things live in like 5 different places. So today, I want to show you the FieldPulse mobile app and how teams actually run their day from it. Hi, I'm Zach, and in this video, I'll walk you through the mobile app and show you how your team can manage jobs, customers, and cash flow all from one place. When you first open the app, the first thing you see is the schedule. Admins can see the full team schedule, while techs can just see their own jobs for the day. And by default, you start in list view, which is a simple breakdown of everything coming up. But there are a few other ways to look at that same schedule. Calendar view gives you more of a weekly snapshot, while dispatch view is really useful for quickly seeing tech availability across the whole team. And map view, it just does exactly what it says. It shows all upcoming jobs plotted geographically, so you can see where everyone is headed. Depending on how you'd like to plan your day, you can switch between these views with just a tap pretty easily. Now let's jump into a job. If you tap on any job in the schedule, you'll land in the job details screen. This is where everything related to that job lives. Customer info, directions, job status, notes, attachments, all of it. So if you need to update anything in the field while you're running a job, you can do it right here without needing to call the office. And there are actually 2 ways to view a job. This is the standard view. It's basically the full control panel. You get access to all the job details, including name, location, contact info. It's great for admins and team leads who need to see everything and know how to navigate the app. But there's also the focus view. This one strips things back to just the essentials, key instructions and actions that techs need to get the job done. These elements can be set up by the office to ensure that techs have everything they need and nothing they don't, so nothing gets in the way of doing the job. And this more guided approach helps ensure jobs are completed with a consistent level of quality, whether it's someone's first day or they're your first hire. Let's go back to looking at a job in standard view. Within here, we can see the actions menu. And this is where a lot of the real work happens. You can plan and organize work, build and send estimates, create invoices, track job costs, capture job photos, notes, and forms. Basically, everything that you need to do on a job can be handled right here from the field. So techs don't have to jump between different tools to move the job forward. Next up, we have the Work tab. Think of this as a hub for everything that's currently in motion for your team. You'll see projects, jobs, subtasks, maintenance agreements, all right here. And all these things can be filtered if things start to pile up. You can do it by status, assignment, or pipeline stage. So it's pretty easy to answer questions like, what's active? What's coming up next? And who's responsible for it? Then we have the Customers tab. This is basically your central contact hub. You can browse customers alphabetically, sort by recent activity, filter by status, or even add custom tags like the gate code is this, or watch out for the dog. When you open a customer record, you'll also see everything tied to that customer, from job history, active work, pipeline activity. It's all here in one place. And for techs in the field, that means you can quickly pull up customer info, past work, or notes before you even walk up to the door. Now let's talk about the Sales tab, which is where all the financial pieces just come together. You can create and track estimates and invoices, organized by pipeline status, so you always know what's pending, approved, or ready to bill. You can log payments by method to keep records clean and organized. You can manage purchase orders to help keep job costs under control. And if you're building quotes in the field, you can search your item list to instantly pull up pricing and product details right from your phone. If your team uses proposals, you can also create what we call dynamic proposals with option-based pricing like good, better, best, and access a full price book to build quotes in an instant right in front of the customer. Next is the Timesheets tab, which tracks time. Depending on how you run your business, techs can either clock in and out for each job, or simply clock in at the beginning of each day and right out at the end. And within the tab, you'll see the general timesheet and a work order timesheet, which allows technicians to track hours by day or week. And if you're a manager or a team lead, you can review team time across daily, weekly, or custom date ranges. If we tap our profile picture, we can go straight to the FieldPulse dashboard. This is a central hub that lets you track progress, see what's coming up next. Now, I know what you're all thinking. Field service work doesn't always happen when signal is great. In elevators, mechanical rooms, basements and underground facilities, rural areas, places where service can disappear in an instant. And the FieldPulse app is designed for that. Just because you lose signal doesn't mean you stop working, and neither should your app. When that happens, the app automatically switches to what we call offline mode. Techs are taken to a central hub and anything they were working on gets saved automatically, so they don't have to worry about losing a draft. And from there, they can still access recent jobs, customer details, create notes, upload photos, track time. They can complete forms and even build estimates and invoices. Then, when Signal comes back, everything automatically syncs, so the entire team stays up to date. No lost work, no double entry, and no waiting for service to come back, because time is money. So that's a quick look at the FieldPulse mobile app. If you'd like to see how it could work for your team, just go ahead and click the link in the description below to book a personalized demo with the FieldPulse product expert. We'd love to speak with you. Zach, out.